Width, height, depth, width segments, height segments, depth segments. Okay. And it's float, 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 integer, integer, integer. Width, height, depth. And then segments for each of those. I think I'll have to... Hey, Daryl Golden, what's going on? I think for gRPC, the naming should be in camel case or whatever this is, even though I'm going to be interfacing with it from Python. And Python uses snake case. Yeah. I think. It's hard to find examples for some reason. Oh no, this is using snake case. Okay, in that case I will. So width segments, height segments, depth segments, and these are ints. Okay, so now with this proto, I can pass everything in this box geometry RPC. So let me do this. I'll hook up the RPC here. Call this box geometry. This will create a box geometry, and what I want to do is just put in all the data from the call. So I think call dot request dot actually. I don't even try to do this right now. Right now I'll just try to hook up the RPC, which I think everything's here for that. So I'm gonna move that there. Rerun this. Copy the proto. Maybe go to Manim gRPC. Server. Service.proto. I'll copy that here. Oh, not here. I'll copy that into proto slash service.proto. Now I'll update the protos. Now I should be able to use a... Wait. Yeah, box geometry service stub. Wait. Shouldn't it be test service stub? I guess not. I guess that's fine. Box geometry service stub. I'll do stub.box geometry. Now here... Okay, let me see if this just... Let me see if I can use it like this. So I'll try to run the 3 server. No attribute box geometry service stub. Why would that happen? Did Did I mess up the proto generation again? It does have the box geometry stuff. Box geometry service stub. Geometry service stub worked. So what's the difference now? Are there any service stubs? Service stub. There's the test service stub. Oh, it's just geometry service stub? That makes me think something's wrong with the generation. There has to be. Let me look at the proto. This has box geometry, yeah. Scripts, update protos. Okay. And then I'm gonna try to do this again, I guess. Nope, no box geometry service stub. Dang. What did I do? I wonder why it ever had the geometry service stub. Does this work? This works. With geometry which doesn't exist in box geometry. Service PB2 gRPC. I guess I can try RMing the generated files. Oh, I don't want to remove all of them. Let me take out gen slash the service ones. Then try to regenerate those. Okay, so these were just regenerated. If I look at service PB2 gRPC, look at the service stub. There's only a geometry service stub. What's going on? Where's it even getting that name, geometry? If this is the proto. Oh, there's another service, geometry service. Oh. I was doing this. Okay. Geometry service. This should have the box geometry. I should just take out this test service. So this geometry service. This can serve the box geometry. Let me move this hello stuff up here. Okay, so now rerun the JavaScript server. Regenerate the protos. Well, I have to copy it first. Server slash service.proto to proto slash service.proto. And then scripts update. Okay, so now should be able to get the geometry service stub. Then call box geometry. And so this, okay, so now I have the box geometry. Perfect. So the thing to do now is try to actually pass parameters to it. So I think what I have to do, all of these is just floats. Oh, these should be ints. Okay, but I'm gonna try to pass. I guess I'll just try to pass height equals like 2. Then in JavaScript, when I'm creating the box, I think this is call.request.height and width and depth. I'm just gonna see if that's even the right thing to do. No, something broke, I guess. Not sure what. Well, I guess I don't even know if this is the right way to pass this data. Hold on. Rerun this. Rerun that. Now I have the box. I'm going to see if call.request is even what I want to look at. Also, I'm going to stop printing this. And actually, this should be up here. That shouldn't be here. Great. So let me try to print that now. Call.request isn't even a thing. I guess. Can I just print call? Oh. Yeah, I have to hit the server first. Okay, so now if I look at call, yeah, this is right. Width, height, depth. Oh, they default to 0. So the reason it didn't appear is because it had like 0 width and 0 depth. I need a way to see, a way to check if a field is set or not. I go to Python. This isn't that helpful. I put in Python gRPC check field set. The generated code. This doesn't look generated. Fields and okay, so fields. Blah 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 blah. If the field's name is a Python keyword, then it's probably will only be accessible via getAttr and setAttr. That's fine. Oh, there's has field. If foo is red, when it's not set, its value will be the default value for that field. To check if foo is set, or to clear the value of foo, you must call the has field or clear field. So there is a way to set a default value. I didn't even know that. Okay, let me see if I can find a way to set a default value. Default values. Oh, you can't set it. Okay, I guess you can't set the default value. Okay, so I want to know how to tell if it's been set or not in JavaScript, though. Wait. If I just put JavaScript JDC check field set. Um, yeah, I guess. Oh, wait. Has foo. Great. So if I look at call.has width, I think this should print false. If I run this again, hit it from Python, it printed undefined. Oh, dot response. Right? Nah, something crashed. Dang. Also, I don't need to print that. Cannot read property has width of undefined. So I guess you don't need that response. Uh-oh. Did my Vim freeze? Yeah, I think Vim just froze. Not just Vim, my entire computer just froze. Okay. I'm gonna take that as the universe's way of telling me it's time to stop. Since my computer just froze. Luckily, I guess I'm streaming from a different computer than I'm coding on, so it didn't crash everything. It's gonna be harder now to find someone to raid, I guess. Let me see. Guess I'll have to do that from here. Um, or as a person, okay, found someone. I'm gonna raid someone. This person. I would have kept going actually, but yeah, my computer isn't feeling like it today. All right, so I'll do this instead. Cool. So say hi. I will see you guys in the next stream.
I always want to say Euler. Always cuts the stream. I mean, it cut mine a few times, I think. It's wait, do I not know the famous mathematician? I thought it was called Euler. I've heard Euler. No, please don't gaslight me. Don't gaslight me. Euler? It is Euler? Okay. Yeah, I always want to pronounce it Euler, but it is Euler. I've heard it enough now to remember that it's Euler. Okay. Oh, I got nervous. I thought maybe I got it wrong again. That math teacher would have been so disappointed. Oh God, Jess would be so disappointed. Doesn't see with your own. I feel that. Wait, hold on. I was Wait, actually, I will ask you about your stream first. About your stream. Reminds me of the days before HDMI when I had to plug that cable with red, yellow, and white and change the TV. Um, what I was gonna say about David Blaine, some magic is, of course, it's like an illusion, you know. But then you have magicians like David Blaine that are just actual demons. Oh, it's okay. I dropped a few frames just now. It's definitely David Blaine. Here, he. Okay, I'm gonna say DB. I'm gonna say DB so that whatever hex you put out there, it's not following me. Pretty much. David Blaine. David Blaze. Um. Yeah, no, he's a
Motherfucker.